Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Adobe Fonts to Canva. Let's begin. Canva doesn't directly connect to Adobe Fonts, but there's a simple workaround that works perfectly. Just make sure you're using Canva Pro because you'll need the upload feature for this to work. First, go to the Adobe Fonts website and make sure you're logged in with your Adobe account. Browse or search for the font you want to use and click to add or activate it. Then open your Creative Cloud app and press the cloud or download icon so that the font actually gets installed on your system and can be used outside of Adobe software. If the font still isn't showing up on your computer, you'll need to locate where Adobe stores the font files. On Mac and Windows, these folders are different. This is for the Windows and this is for the Mac. I'll leave the exact file paths in the description. If you're on Windows, just replace username in the path with your actual Windows username. Inside that folder, you'll see the activated fonts, but they'll be in a text file. If the files aren't visible, unhide hidden items. Sometimes Windows hides them by default. Once you see the font files, just rename the extensions to .otf or .ttf, whatever you prefer, so they work like regular font files. After renaming, you'll be able to identify and use them normally. Now open Canva in your browser or desktop app and log in to your account. Open any design, go to the font menu, and at the bottom, you'll see the Upload Fonts option. Click on that, upload the .otf font files you renamed, and Canva will add them to your brand kit automatically. That's it. Thank you for watching.